We will be replacing that skylight with a brand new Velux insulated glass unit. Velux is one of the major manufacturers of skylights in the United States. Makes a really good product. If you use their flashing kits, which we do, and install it properly, you have a no leak warranty, which no other skylight manufacturer offers. They've really done their research to make sure these things perform just as good as they look. Another important part of the ventilation equation is the intake vents. This house didn't have very many at all, so we've cut in some new soffit vents. These are also made by Lamanco.